When I made my wood pipes and my paper scroll holder, I made all these with the hole saw on the drill press. And I drilled a lot of holes. I found I was holding on to the lever and putting a lot of weight on it, and for a long time, because you have to do that, otherwise you burn the wood, if you're using some hardwood especially. So what I thought to do was extend the handle and put a weight on it and let the weight do the work. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So I save a lot of scraps, and I found this piece of pipe, and I'll just put it in the vise and cut a piece off. Now we'll just square it up a bit, clean it up. So I have one of the caps drilled, and I'll put it in the pipe and then compress it in the vise. So I'll be making this from the stuff I can find around my workshop. So I have a bunch of metal here, and I'll just use this piece of brass, and it'll be a sleeve to fit in the threaded rod. So I found some lead in my shop, and I'll just fill this thing up.